Some of you may still be confused about mail merge or mailings. This feature allows us to print multiple data sets in one format. This feature requires Excel to create the data or list we want to enter into a single template format in Word. The final result is that we can print all the data at once without having to print them individually. How do you do this? Watch this tutorial to learn how. To print mail merge or mailings results, go to the Mailings menu and select Finish and Merge. Then, select Print Document. A new Merge to Print window will appear. There are 3 options for print records. Select All if you want to print all the data in the mail merge, Current Record if you want to print a specific record, and the third option allows you to specify which data to print by specifying the page from and to which page. For example, if I want to print all the data, I would select All. After that, click OK to save the settings. A new print window will appear. Click OK to continue printing, and you can see the results. So, easy, right? That's how to print mail merge results in Word. I hope this tutorial is helpful. See you in the next video.